Hello students, today through this video we are going to take up maths of grade 5 number. In grade 5 in your book there are three types of number. First number we have done in the previous video. I am going to take now second video of the number, page number 44 to 51. You can go through page number 44 to 51 and practice it at home. Let us come back to the whatever we are going to study today. Our topic will be the number system. We are going to learn number system. In number system there will be rounding, greater and smaller, halfway between, double number, then decimal system. You know decimal. So decimal of writing in place value, then missing number, then greater to smaller or smaller to greater, then operation with decimal means addition, subtraction, multiplication, and then decimal in context means word problem with the decimal. So let us focus on first topic, the number system. If we have done in previous number, that is rounding, let us just take one number, 2.69. 2.69. 2 is an integer, 0.69, 69 is a decimal part. So let us round this number nearest to 10th. Which is the 10th number? This is ones, tens, then it goes like this: 100, 1000, 10,000. And this side, tens, hundreds, thousands. So as I told you, let us round the number to 10th value. So your 10th value number is this 6. And what are the rules of rounding a number? You have to see the right hand side number. Right hand side number is 9. 9 is greater than 5. That means the underlying number, the 10th value number, will increase to 1. That is, it will turn to 7. So your value will be 2.70. In this way, we can change all the number to the rounding to nearest to tens, hundreds, or tenth or hundreds. It depends on the question. Now let us see greater and smaller. Suppose let us take these two numbers, 2.69 and 2.70. Let us take some more number, 3.89, 1.46, 0.89. Now from this number, which is the smallest number? So in order to see the smallest number, you first see the integer number. That is ones, tens, hundred. So here all the number are having ones. So here ones means this 0, here is 3, here is 2, here is also 2, and this is 1. Now which is the smallest number? The smallest number is 0. So this will be your first number, that is 0.89. This is smaller than, let's go for the next number, 3, 2, 2, 1. So 1 is the smallest among all these numbers. So next number is 1.46, is smaller than, this is also done. Next is these two, but these two are same. So what we'll do now, we have to see the next number after the decimal. So after the decimal, here is 6 and here is 7. Automatically this 2.69 will become the smaller. So 2.69 becomes the smallest. Now next remaining is this one, that is 2.70, and at the end is the last one remaining, that is 3.89, is the greatest number. Similarly, when we have to arrange greater to smaller, we have to first look the greater number, then the smaller number, then the smaller number to the smallest number. So in this way, we can arrange all the number from ascending to descending, that is greatest to smallest or smaller to greater. Now let us take two numbers. Suppose 8, 9, 4, 5 8950. What number comes in between these two numbers? Between means exactly in the middle. So in order to find exactly what number comes in between, the best and easy way to add up these two numbers, that is 8945, 8950. Here comes 5, here comes 9, here comes 8, in 1 in hand, 8, 8, 16 plus 1, 17. Now this number is divided by 2. Why? We have to make it exactly into 2 half. 2 8 ja 16, 7 minus 6 1, this 8 is coming, 2 9 ja 18, 9 is coming, 2 4 ja 8, 1 is coming, this 5 is bringing down here, 2 7 ja 14, 5 minus 4 1, no number. So what we'll do, we'll put a decimal and take 1 0, and 2 5s are 10. Here comes the end of the number. That means this number comes in between these two numbers. That is 8945, 8950. So this number is exactly in the middle. This is what we call a number halfway between. Between means in the middle. Now let us go for the decimal system. Decimal system is, here we are going to learn. Just now I did how to find greater and smaller. That is same decimal system, arranging into greater to smaller or smaller to greater. Now place value of the digit. Suppose this number 38945. What is the place value of this 5? This is after decimal. So this is tens, this is hundreds. That is 5 hundreds. What is the place value of this number? 4 tenths. What is the place value of this number? 9. What is the place value of this number? 8 10. That is 80. What is the place value of this number? 3 ones, tens, 100. 3 into 100 is 300. Now when we have to write this one in word, figure, so suppose we write in words, so how are you going to write 300, or you can write 389.45. How are you going to write? 389.45. I think you got it. Now let us move to another, that is missing number. Let us take one example. 7.2 into 100 into 100 equal to how many? Now another number, 89.5 divided by 100, or 67 or 67 divided by 10, or 456.3 multiplied by 10. All these number, missing number, are here. What numbers comes here? So how to do multiplication and division? Multiplication, you just multiply first. 1 means same number. So write down the same number, 4, 5, 6, 3, and this 0 will come here. Now after how many number decimal is there? After one number decimal is there. So after one number decimal you put. After decimal it is 0, is valueless. So your answer will be 4, 5, 6, 3. Same thing goes here. 7.2, that is 7 2 multiplied by 1 means 72, and this 2 0 added up here. After one number decimal, so after one number put decimal. After decimal 0, valueless. So your answer is 720. But in this case, division is different. What we'll do, we'll go this way. 895, first write 895. Then how many 0 here? Multiplication we are putting on, but division will go back here, this side, left hand side. This number is 9, this number is 8. So 2 number, 2 0. So after 2 number, this decimal will come here. So from here, the decimal will move to 1 to here. Now decimal will not remain alone, it will be with his elder brother 0. Now same way we'll do here, that is 67, and here 0 is 1 digit, so after one decimal, 1 digit will move, so it will come here, and no, since this side no number, so 0 will be here. Suppose here is 3, so that means 3 also will be here. So after 1 0, after one number, decimal will come here, so it will become 3.67. So in this way, we can go ahead with either multiplication or division. Now let us go for the next topic, operation with the decimal. Here we have to add and subtract. Simple thing. Let us take 7.1 plus 9.5. How are you going to arrange? We are going to arrange 7.1 and 9.5. Means this point. First you arrange the point. Point is here, put the point in the same row. Before this 9, put it here. This side is 5, put it up here, put the sign and add up. Simple. If this is minus, so 9.5, 7.1 minus. Same. 1.56, 7 plus 9 is 16, and point will come in the middle. Minus means 5 minus 1, 4, point, 9 minus 7, 2. Suppose this number is greater. Suppose here is 6, here is 8, here is 4, here is 9, this is 7. Then how will you go to do? How is to do subtraction? Same way. 6 minus 8 cannot do. Borrow from here 1. 16 minus 8, 8. Here remain 4. Borrow from here 1. 14 minus 7, 7. Decimal will be in the same place. 1 you have given it to him. So remaining 8 here. So 18 minus 9, 9. Here left 3. So 3 is coming here. So in this way, we can either add or we can subtract any number. Now let us go for the last topic, decimal in context. Here in the page number 5051, you will see that all the numbers are given in word problem. All are either multiplication or division or addition or subtraction. You have to read the question and you have to do it. Simple one example is there. Suppose a bucket holds 2.75 liter of milk or water. How many milliliter of water hold the bucket? So liter and milliliter. In 1 liter, how many milliliter? 1000 milliliter. Let us go for the another measurement. 1 kg equal to how many? 1000 gram. Then 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. 1 rupee equal to 100 pies. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter, 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram, 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. So, if greater to smaller, this side are all greater and this side are all smaller. If from greater to smaller, you have to find answer, you go for multiplication. When a smaller is given, you have to find the answer. In greater, you go for division. Whatever is given. Like here, 2.75 liter, you have to turn into milliliter. Milliliter is smaller, so you have to multiply. 2.75 multiply by 1000. Just now we have done. So 275, 30, put 30. After 2 number, decimal is there. After 2 number, put the decimal. This is very less. So your answer is 2750 ml. So in this way, we can do either addition or subtraction or division and multiplication. With this, I conclude here. Practice from page number 44 to 51 and stay home safe and sound. Thank you.